Hi guys, we're grade 10 students from Section Mabini. I'm Ryan Agador.
And I am Ira Kabawatan.
And we're going to tackle about sets. So first of all, what is sets?
Mathematics, a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects considered as an object in its own right.
In mathematics education, elementary topics such as Venn diagrams are taught at a young age, while more advanced concepts are taught as part of a university degree. Background of the sets. The German word Mensch, rendered as set in English, was coined by Bernardo Bolzano. A and open bracket, tiger, lion, puma, cougar, ocelot, cheetah, and leopard, and then close bracket. This is a set of large species cat.
The items you wear is shoes, socks, hat, shirts, pants, and so on. This is known as a set. Notice how the first example has the three dots. These three dots are called ellipses and meaning continue on. Another example is types of fingers. This set includes index, middle ring, and pinky. So it is just things grouped together with a certain property in common. The curly brackets are sometimes called set brackets or braces.
Are usually used when writing down a set. It is often common to use capital letters to name a set. Let's say a set A has the elements of 3, 5, and 7. We would write it as follows: A equals 3, 5, and 7. A has 3 elements. We can list the elements in any order, and we can list elements more than once. We can also write set A as follows: A equals 5, 3, 7, or A equals 3, 5, 7, and 7. However, the elements have not changed, and there are still only 3 elements. We can also have sets within sets. That means that sets can be elements of other sets. For example, B equals open bracket A, open bracket A, close bracket B, C, open bracket B, E, close bracket, and close bracket.
In set B, there are 5 elements. 2 of the elements are sets of letters. The other 3 elements are single letters. Elements A and open bracket A and close bracket are not the same because one is a set and the other is not a set. In addition, the letters D and E are not elements of set B, but the set open bracket D, E, close bracket is an element of set B. This distinction between elements and sets is straightforward but often is a difficult rule to apply. Remember that there are 2 important points to note about sets. First, in an extensional definition, a set member can be listed 2 or more times. For example, open bracket 11, 6, 6, close bracket. However, for extensionality, 2 definitions of sets which differ only in that one of the definitions list set members multiple times define in fact the same set. Hence, the set open bracket 11, 6, 6, close bracket is exactly identical to the set open bracket 11, 6, 6 close bracket. The second important point is that the order in which the elements of a set are listed is irrelevant. So, what is elements? In mathematics, an element or member of a set is any one of the distinct objects that make up that set.
We often deal with groups or collection of objects in real life, such as a set of books, a group of students, a list of states in a country, a collection of baseball cards, and etc. This may be thought of as a mathematical way to represent collections or groups of objects. The concept of sets is an essential foundation for various other topics in mathematics.
So, to collect sets together, we use the term union. We unite sets into one. Let's say I have two sets. Set A is green and blue and pink. Set B is orange, yellow, and black. How would that look in using mathematical symbol? Let's consider two sets A and B. A has a set of numbers 1, 3, and 5. And B has the set of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We can say that A is a subset of B because all the elements of set A are also elements of set B. Set A is more specifically a proper subset of B because A does not equal B. In other words, there are some elements in set B that are not in set A. We use certain letters to define various number systems. This helps to better define sets and to make them easier to write. We will use the following capital letters for the respective number systems sets. N is for natural numbers like 1, 2, and 3. Z is for integers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Q is for rational numbers. I is for irrational numbers. And R is for real numbers. We can make any type of set we want. For instance, we could combine the sets above into one set. The elements in a set do not need to have any relationship except they are elements of the same set. However, there is usually some connection between the elements of a set to make the set practical and useful. I just want to make things clear that a set is a group of items of the same kind. The items in a set are called the elements or members of a set. A set is well defined when all its members can be listed.
Goodbye, guys.
Thank you
Thank
for
you for watching.
God bless.